Hello everyone, if you want to know how you can auto caption on CapCut, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to make auto caption on CapCut easily. So first off, you're going to open CapCut up and then you're going to go into your project, simply add any video, drag the video down, and here you'll have this button, captions. Click on it, click generate, then wait for it to generate the captions for your video. It's gonna take a minute or two depending on how long your video is, and once it's done making captions for your video, then what you can do is you can also edit the captions from here. So just drag all of your captions like this and then go into text, and here you can edit your captions. You can edit the color, or you can make them capital, make them lowercase, make them bold, underline, italicize. You can also increase the size of them. You can also go into captions here and you can see all of the captions from here. You can add an animation onto them. Just download any animation and add it up. Because in this here you can see I've just added an animation on my captions. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.